Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add mobile frame on screen recording video using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to tap on new project, and then I'm going to add my screen recording video to the Capcut project. For instance, I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to click on add. And after that, I'm going to add mobile frame to my project. We can click on overlay and then click on add overlay, and I'm going to use mobile frame from the Capcut library. I'm just going to go to the library and search for the mobile frame green screen. Just type in the mobile frame green screen, just like so. And then there will be some options for you, and you can choose the mobile frame you want to add to your video. I'm going to use this one for instance and click on add. Okay, and I'm going to change the ratio guys. I'm going to adjust the ratio to the mobile frame. I'm going to go to the ratio, and then I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then tap on this option, and then I'm going to remove the green screen of this mobile frame. I'm going to go to the remove background and select chroma key, and then we can pick the green color and adjust the intensity and the shadow as well, and click on the check mark, and I'm going to adjust my recording video to the mobile frame. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can rotate it, and it's up to you. Okay, I think it's not that good, but this is just for an example, so that's okay. This is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add mobile frame on screen recording video using Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.